What is going on, guys? So we're at Telephone Canyon. We had a very hairy drive last night. We were not expecting it. We were thinking about just, you know, crawl over a few boulders like all the other recommended 4x4 areas in the park. This was not the case. So it took us, about 2.5 hours to get to our site. It was serious rock climbing, serious trail riding. We had to hop out a bunch of times, build up a bunch of rocks in areas where I couldn't get over because I was flexing way too hard in the van. And yeah, definitely points where I was hitting 3 wheels. And since it's such a high vehicle, top heavy, it was honestly quite nerve-wracking. So yeah, we're here. The shitty thing is we're committed now because we're about, it took us 2 hours to get in, but we're actually in the middle of the 4x4 section. So it's either we go back the way we came, which was way too intense, white knuckled, butt cheeks clenched, or we go the other way, which is the unexpected. And we're just praying that when we leave, we don't come across another vehicle, because I'm not backing up. No, come.
Oh, come. No, we're not going up.
And it's pretty well one vehicle crossing like the whole way. So yeah, it'll be an interesting rest of the day. Maybe we'll get to a hike, maybe we won't. We got a little jam here. We got to burn him out today. So he's been kind of cooped up for the past little bit because you're not allowed dogs on any of these trails, which is kind of lame. But I mean, hey, we are very, very secluded by ourselves. And yeah, so hopefully we make it out alive. Yeah! Alrighty, so we are just about to hit the old Dussy Trail here to give you a little idea of where we are. So, the other day we came in through here. Oh, it's a little blurry. Came in all up this way. We're now at, come on, focus. Well, anyways, Telephone Canyon. And now we're deciding to go up this way, hoping and praying that it's easier for us to get out. It is shorter. I think it's 12.6 kilometers instead of the 14 that we did yesterday to come in here. But yeah, praying it's gonna be an easier drive and safer drive for us. But yeah, hopefully see you on the other side. All right, so we're just about to start the journey here. It says it's 1 hour and 9 minutes. Well, not for us, it's 2:50 right now, so we'll gauge how far it takes us or how long it takes us to get out of here. But the proof that we were in Telephone Canyon. Boom, right there. We made her. Hopefully we make it out. Woo! All right.
Hug that side more. Okay, I'll turn towards me. You're good. Turn towards me more. More. Nice. Straighten out. Go, 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 go. Oh, shit. Nice.
going?
Y'all are braver than us, man.
Oh yeah, it's crazy. Woo!
Woo! All right. Alrighty, so yeah, today seems like it's going a little better. We're not chasing the sunlight. Plus, every time we get up to something that we're like, I think we can do it, at least one of us hops out, double checks everything, and then we carry on from there. But yeah, seems like we're making pretty good time. Liv's waving me on. She just ran up to the top to try to film this, so we're gonna get after it. Wow!
Nice. I think it'll be fine. Okay, just keep going straight. Woohoo! Good job, Jimmy.
My co-pilot here. How's it going? Good, good. How's she look up there?
It's rough. Yeah?
Oh, yeah?
Okay. It's rough that way too.
What's that?
It's rougher going that way.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, just go slow.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you.
We're committed now.
Yeah.
All right, have a good one, buddy.
It's rougher going this way.
Woo! All right, so we've been motoring pretty good. Check out this frickin' view. Oh man, unfrickin' real. So I'm just taking a shot in the dark here. I think we probably got about 45 minutes left on the speed we've been crawling it. So over an hour? Well, I'm wrong. So we'll see. It's been a little easier going this way, like less three wheels touching kind of deal. So hopefully it doesn't get any worse than this. We can hopefully cruise this out and make it out alive. Woo!
Too much. You're good. Keep going. You're good. Slow, slow. You're good. Just keep going. Your tire is almost touching the ground. Slow.
That's it right there. I
is the
fucking
road.
see it.
Oh my god.
Oh my fucking god, we did it. We fucking did it. Oh my god.
Okay, we gotta figure out what campsite we're staying.
Oh my frickin' Lanta. We made it. We're on frickin' concrete. Woo.
After what, 3 hours?
Yeah, it took us, almost 3 hours on the dot, actually. 2 hours?
No.
3 hours.
3 hours.
3 hours. 4 hours. 2:20?
Oh my god, yeah.
Anywho, 2:20s. Yeah, I think we got on at
That's 4
2:20.
hours.
We were on the road for 4 hours there. Yeah, I'm just gonna air up the back tires real quick, and now we have probably about a half-hour drive to our campsite. Woo! Or I think we're stationary for 2 days.
Yeah.
Lovely. And then we're gonna get a beautiful sunset.
We're gonna miss it probably.
Probably gonna miss it. But oh well, we're out. Yeah! Whew. Alrighty, so we made it to our site. We're both pooped. That was quite the adventure. Just gonna make a quick meal, some chicken and rice, and some asparagus, and then throw her in the wrap, barbecue sauce, mwah. And yeah, I think we're gonna call her an early night. Catch you on the flip side.